Just another walk around video of my three-wheeler project. It's inspired by a Morgan three-wheeler, but with I guess kind of an American twist. In England, a lot of people make three-wheelers using Citrons. In America, we don't have Citrons, so we have to come up with another way. And what I've done, I've taken the chassis out of a Triumph Spitfire car, and I've gotten the motor and the rear end out of a Moto Guzzi 1100 motorcycle. And let's just walk around and see what we got. So if you look in the front here, you see where it's chopped off. That's the front of the Spitfire chassis. And then going around to the back, around to the side here, you can see there's that Spitfire chassis going through. And then in the rear end, you've got the motorcycle parts there, so that it has that motorcycle swing arm in the back. So it's got the chassis from the Spitfire, rear end and engine off the Moto Guzzi. It's got front wheels off of Model A car with 19-inch wheels, 30-inch tall tires. It's got, and these are some of my newer improvements. I have these two chrome exhaust pipes, came off Royal Enfield motorcycle. This front hood is off a 1940 Ford Deluxe car. The rear end, I've actually changed it from my last video. This is a 1950 Chevy car hood, but I've wrapped it pretty tight. You can see where I've cut it and wrapped it. I actually had it on the front at first, but it looked a little too slab-sided when it had the little the yellow side pieces on. So I've moved it to the back, and I like it a lot better that way. It has those roll bars off of a Mazda Miata. Got the drive line out of a Jeep Cherokee. Got the A-arms off of a Polaris Ranger, but I've modified them quite a bit. You can see where I've cut and welded them in several places to accommodate the Spitfire spindles. So this is the first time I've shown it with this body work on, so I'll be interested in any comments that you might have on it, if you feel like it's working or not working. I really appreciate any comments you have. Here's something else I've been working on. Here's the pedal system. I found this on Facebook Marketplace. Bought it from a guy who used to do race cars, and it'll be my full set. And I'm gonna set it up so it has electric motors to move it forward and back. And then I also have over here, this is gonna be for my steering. It's off of a BMW, and the thing that's really cool about it, you see these two electric motors right there. One of them is tilt steering, and the other one is telescoping. So from just push buttons, you'll be able to move that steering wheel into position, which is really good, because you consider in a Morgan style car, you have to be seated in the same spot all the time, so the controls have to move to you, so to speak. So still a lot more to come. Let me know what kind of videos you guys would like to see. I've always done this YouTube channel just for myself, just storing videos that I've made, just to store them for myself. But I had 20,000 views on one of my recent videos, and I just never expected that. So, you know, if anybody leaves a comment on what kind of videos you'd like to see, I'm open to trying some new things. Just doing a little final walk around here, and appreciate your interest and any thoughts you might have. Have a great day.